Welcome to Ask Dr. Gearhead. Today's question is, should I use an oil additive in my engine? Will an oil additive make your engine perform better or last longer? While it may sound like a great idea, especially if you believe the marketing hype, a greater understanding of motor oil will help you see why it's not such a great idea after all. For motor oil to protect your engine properly, its formulation needs to balance 7 key functions: minimize friction and wear, clean, cool moving elements, seal, dampen shock, prevent corrosion, and transfer energy. To accomplish all 7 functions effectively requires a balanced chemistry. Oil manufacturers use a variety of chemical additives when formulating an oil to meet a desired specification. These can include any or all of the following: oxidation inhibitors, pour point depressants, viscosity index improvers, detergents, dispersants, anti-foaming agents. Today's additive systems can be quite sophisticated. They can be chemically sensitive and negatively affected by the addition of other chemicals. Therefore, it's never a good idea to mix lubricants of different brands or types. So rather than putting an additive into your oil and hoping it performs better, purchase a high-quality oil that's well formulated to provide the performance and protection you desire. Brought to you by UltimateSyntheticLubes.com, an authorized AMSOIL dealer. Please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.